Alright, so I remembered when I first started with email marketing some few years back, I made a lot of mistakes, and one of it is just the fact that I was diving straight into expensive tools I didn't even understand how to use. I wasted both my money and my time, and honestly, I could have avoided all of that if I knew the free options that existed, or maybe someone walked me through by the hand. Now, fast forward to this years, alright, after running thousands of email campaigns and testing out countless platforms, guys, trust me, I've used a lot of email marketing platforms, and I've realized something important. You don't need to spend big money to start sending professional emails. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the best free email marketing platforms absolutely for beginners, what your free plans actually include, the features you get, and which one might be the perfect fit for you. So let's get into it right away. Alright guys, so let's dive straight in with the first platform, and this one is actually one of my favorite. It is called Systemi.io. Now, unlike most tools that only give you email features, Systemi.io is an all-in-one marketing platform. That means you're not just going to be getting email marketing, you're also going to be getting a website builder, a sales funnel, automation workflow, and even membership site features all inside the free plan. Now, here's the kicker. Their free plan allows up to 2,000 contacts, and you can see that right here on my own dashboard. I can have access to 2,000 contacts. I can send unlimited emails and even 3 full sales funnels with 10 steps each. Now, for a beginner, that is more than enough to launch your first email campaign without spending a dime. And I recommend Systemi.io. Like I said, I have an account with Systemi.io, and I've been using Systemi.io for a while now, and absolutely for free. No headaches, and everything has been working just so smoothly. So you can try out Systemi.io today to start sending thousands of emails even without paying a penny. Alright guys, so the next on the list we have Kit, and now many of you might know this as a rebranded version of ConvertKit. Now here is what makes Kit stands out. Their newsletter plan is completely for free. You can see that right here on my screen. No credit card is required, no hidden catches with this plan, and you can manage up to 10,000 subscribers. To me, this is extremely generous compared to most email marketing platforms I have used in the past and currently using. Now, even though it is free, you can still get access to some pretty powerful tools such as unlimited landing pages and opt-in forms, unlimited email broadcast, audience tagging and segmentation, and you also have the ability to sell digital product and run paid newsletters, and even API access if you want to connect with other tools. So I think this is actually something beginners might actually want to try out, and you can start monetizing and growing your audience without worrying about cost. So you can try out kit.com today and see if this is the perfect fit for you. Now let's go over to the next one. Alright, so another great option for beginners is Brevo, now which you might also remember as Sending Blue before the rebrand. Now what makes Brevo really appealing is their forever free plan. Now here is what you get at no cost. You get up to 300 emails every single day. That is about 9,000 emails every single month if I'm not mistaken, and you have unlimited subscribers, which is rare since most free platforms limit you by contact. Now, a drag and drop email editor and access to their email templates gallery. You can also have access to the basic automation with workflows for up to 2,000 contacts, transactional emails sent through their API, real-time reporting, and start with opens and clicks. You also have email support included. So this makes Brevo perfect if you're just starting out and you want to build and send professional emails without hitting the subscriber limit. Now, is that the only thing about Brevo? No, your emails would include Brevo branding on the free plan, and you will need a paid plan if you want to get advanced features such as A/B testing, predictive sending, or removing that tiny logo. Alright, but for a beginner who wants to just focus on growing their list and sending consistent campaigns, the free plan is more than enough for you to get started. So try out Brevo today and see if this actually is worth it. Alright, now so let's talk about Beehiiv, a platform that's been growing fast in the newsletter space. Now, their launch pad is completely for free, and here is what it includes: up to 2,500 subscribers, unlimited email sent, no sending caps, which is a big win for new creators. You have a custom website for your newsletter with subscribe form built in it. Now, you also have customizable newsletter with optimized deliverability. You also have access to their recommendation network to grow your audience faster. Now, basic campaigns analytics, so you can track the performance of every of your email campaigns. And super thing I like about this Beehiiv is also the fact that you have access to their API, meaning that you can connect other tools to your platform. Now, you also have support for custom domains if you want to brand your newsletter properly. So this makes Beehiiv free plan especially attractive if you're starting a newsletter, since it combines email marketing with growth features and a built-in publishing website. So try out Beehiiv today and let's see if this is the perfect one for you. Alright guys, now here is another one called Email Octopus, which is known for being simple, lightweight and beginner friendly. Now the starter plan is completely for free and it includes up to 2,500 subscribers, 10,000 emails every single month, and you have access to one user. Now you also have access for just one user, and you have the ability to create up to 3 landing pages and forms. You have basic reporting stats available for 30 days, and you can also get access to their pre-designed templates to help you launch even faster. Now there are a couple of limitations. One of it is that your emails will always carry Email Octopus branding on the free plan, and you will need to upgrade your plan if you want unlimited forms, full reporting, or to remove their logo every time you're sending your email campaigns. If you're just starting out, the free plan gives you more than enough room to grow your list, test your campaigns, and get comfortable with email marketing. So you can try out Email Octopus today and see if this will be the perfect email marketing platform for you. So go try it now. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so I know you're just starting out and I know you're trying to build your first audience and I know you want to launch your first email newsletter, or maybe you're just trying to test out free email marketing platforms. Now paying $50 or $100 every single month for email marketing software doesn't really make sense, and that is why I recommend MailerLite free plan. Now this is actually designed for that beginner stage, and now with the free plan you have access to 500 subscribers. You can send up to 12,000 emails every single month. And now you have access to the drag and drop email editor to create your own professional campaigns easily. And the super thing about MailerLite is just the fact that you have access to automation builder. I mean, you can build your own workflows and you can use them for your audience. You have access to creating one website and 10 landing pages to capture leads without extra tools. You also have access to the sign-up forms and pop-ups, and guess what guys, you're also going to be having access to track every of your email campaigns to see what is working and what is not working. So once your audience grows past 500 subscribers, upgrading is smooth, but until then, why not save your money and learn how to practice and learn email marketing, test out things absolutely for free. Now let's go back to the next one, which is going to be my last on the list. I know most email marketing platform allows you to pay even before you send your first campaign, but Sender flips the script. Now giving you a forever free plan that's powerful enough to run a real business. No contract, no hidden fees, and guess what? No credit card required. So if you're a small business, you're a freelancer, or maybe you're just trying to test out free email marketing platform, like I said earlier, spending money upfront feels like a gamble. So Sender removes that barrier for you. Their free plan lets you grow your audience and help you run full campaigns without pulling out your wallet. Now with the free plan on Sender, you have up to 2,500 subscribers and you can send up to 15,000 emails every single month. You have access to the email newsletter and automations to keep your audience engaged, landing pages plus sign-up forms, and even pop-ups. You also have access to all email and pop-up template. You have access to the drag and drop editor for easy designs. You have 24/7 email and live chat support even on the free plan. That is huge. So of course, there is the catch. The free email would always include Sender branding, and you're limited to just one user seat. You can actually share this with your friend or maybe with your team member. Advanced features like SMS campaigns, unlimited templates, role-based team seats, and dedicated IPs are reserved for their paid plans, but for a free plan, this covers all the essentials. So if you're looking for an affordable way to start your email marketing, now Sender free plan, free forever plan is one of the best deals out there. So you get serious email power without the serious price tag. You test it, you grow with it, and upgrade only when you truly need to. So I want to believe each and every of the software I've been able to share with you would help you kickstart your own email marketing journey absolutely for free. So if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content like this, and smash the like button if you enjoyed any part of the video. And if you have any questions to ask me, please you can do that right here in the comments section, and I'll do my possible best to answer your questions immediately I see them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.